Hey everybody, I'm Hannah. Marlow and I are getting ready to go to the beach. Marlow is Jessica's caregiver, but also my best friend. So this is gonna be a really relaxing, restful caregiver getaway vacation.
For both of you.
For both of us. This is gonna be a really awesome opportunity for some self-care. And we're gonna be posting videos on Do Stuff, Go Places on Instagram and Facebook. I will put the links to those in the description below, right below. Just kind of be this relaxing vibe. And I've got a decent bit of things to do to get the camper ready. I've plugged my camper in, and the very first thing I'm gonna do is turn on my fridge to pre-cool the fridge so that I can put stuff in there tomorrow. I've got a lot of stuff to find places to put. Gotta make the bed. I'm gonna do an inventory of the food, make sure nothing's old or anything like that. I have a whole to-do list and I didn't bring it out. I forgot my to-do list. Got it. Let's see if I can make it in. Adorable. For s'mores. My umbrella that some mystery good one sent me. Whoever you are, tell me. I'm gonna try out this mosquito lantern. I haven't tried it yet. I'm looking forward to seeing how it works. And then my chair. So I ordered this chair. This is not the color I ordered. They sent me the wrong color, but I'm keeping it anyway. So I do have on my list to organize my under storage. I don't know that I'll get it around. All right, so I've done quite a bit. I think I've got most everything done in here that I need to do, except for, you know, obviously packing the food in the morning. And then I haven't actually put my clothes in here, or, you know, like my makeup or deodorant or whatever, because I'll need stuff like that in the morning. But let me show you what I've done. I did end up making my bed because I just think that's one of those things that you do want it done when you get there, because you just want a place to like lay down and rest. I don't know that I've shown you some of the organization things I've done. I did that on the last trip. I don't think it's been in a video. So in here, I got this shelf at Camping World, and it actually stacks. And I've got one more, I'll show you where I put it, but I didn't have anywhere where I could stack them on top of each other and they would fit well. So I've got this one in here. I've got cups and my plates and bowls and things, and some of my taller cups there. And I am missing a few things, but they're in the dishwasher right now. And then under here, just kind of organize things better. That's the electric skillet. This really awesome drawer here, I've got these like reusable plastic utensils in here. And then I've also got disposable utensils here that we get from restaurants and things and don't use. Obviously, disposable cups, reusable bags, trash can liners, cleaning supplies, dishwashing liquid back there. Here's that other shelf that I was talking about that stacks with the other one. And I guess I could have fit them in here one on top of the other, but I really needed one to go up there with my cups and things. So those were the only two that they had, so maybe I'll be on the lookout for some more of those. I just really like these plastic bags that like sheets and things come in, so I put stuff like that in there. I've got my pots here, and underneath here, here's one of those blue organizers. It slides out. I've got baggies, disposable bowls and plates, and my hand soap. And things like my hand soap, my dishwashing liquid will go on the countertop when we get there. And then up here, I put this shelf in. I've done a little bit of organization of food, although most of it will fall down as I'm pulling it, but I really like this shelf. It helps a lot with room, and I've got this little thing too, so I'm happy with that. And I can't remember if I showed you this hanging thing, but I love it. It's amazing. It's wonderful. Saves so much space. And I will put all the links for all of my things that I've shown you down below. I've got linens down there. I could use some shelves in here for sure, but I haven't found the right height or anything yet. And then I did a tiny bit of organizing of my under storage. I put a few things down there, and I'll show you. So yes, I'm just using this random Amazon cardboard box. I need a tote or something from right there, but this is the best I can do for now. This is just like tools and little knick-knacky things that would just kind of get lost if they just rolled around in there. And my hose, my water hose. Anyway, I've got that a little bit better organized with the stuff that I need right away in the front. The rest of my blocks, I'm using them, but they'll go here. But the things I need to use right away, like my hose is right there. The blocks are there, the drill's there. The drill I use to roll these up and down. My tablecloth for my outdoor table, bug spray, stuff like that. And I didn't leave the back door open and the keys inside, but way back there, I did put some chairs and the umbrella. Anyway, I really want to utilize as much space in there as I can. That keeps things out of the way in the camper, and as much space as we can get in there is good. So, oh, I need to go back in for my water and my phone. I'm gonna do a little bit of food prep, and oh, I can mark something off. Is it just me, or is it really satisfying to physically mark something off of a list? When I'm making a list of things to do, or you know, anything like that I need a list for, I find it so much more satisfying and easier for my brain to just like accept and think about if I physically write it down and then can physically mark it off. It just really helps me get things done and helps me feel good about getting things done. I do have a couple more things that I need to bring in here, like my hammock stand, because there's no trees at the campground we're going to. A hurricane went through there a few years ago. Like a beach tote, and in the morning, of course, I'll bring out the cooler. I'll bring out my clothes and stuff like that at some point. So anyway, that's all I'm gonna do out here for now. I'll go inside and get some things done. All right, little update. I took a long break because I was super tired. I'm about to make a huge double recipe of sausage balls. We're gonna take most of them to snack on and just eat for breakfast and snacks and whatever, but I am gonna be leaving some here. Hello, it's the next day. We're tired, but we've finished packing. We've packed the camper, we've hooked up the camper to the truck. And it's almost time to leave.
How late were you up packing?
I went to bed like 8 o'clock or something.
8 o'clock? Mm-hmm. I fell asleep when I got home. And so I was packing until about 11. And then this morning I remembered a couple of last minute things that I got out to pack. I just left laying there and didn't even look at them again. So I had to open and pack them and clothes and carry and
I'm excited, and I'm also tired and nervous. I'll feel better once we get there because I won't have that whole crazy drive ahead of me.
Have a great time. Stay in touch. Make videos. I love you.